In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed all images in Adobe Illustrator quickly and properly. If you've ever sent an Illustrator file to someone and they told you images were missing, or you've seen those warning icons in the links panel, that usually means your images are linked instead of embedding. Embedding images ensures everything is stored inside the Illustrator file itself, making it easier to share, print, or archive without broken links. I'll walk you through the exact steps to embed all images at once using the links panel. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Let's get started. First, open your Illustrator file that contains the linked images. This can be any existing project where you've placed photos, graphics, or textures using the Place command. Once your file is open, the next step is to access the links panel. To do that, go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Links from the drop-down menu. As soon as you click it, the Links panel will appear, usually docked on the right-hand side of your workspace. Inside the Links panel, you'll see a list of all the images currently placed in your document. If an image is linked, you'll typically see its file name along with information about its status. Now, instead of embedding images one by one, we're going to select all of them at once. In the Links panel, look for the panel menu icon in the top right corner. It's the small menu button with lines. Click on that to open the panel options. From the drop-down menu, choose Select All. This will highlight every linked image in your document. Make sure they are all selected in the Links panel before moving to the next step. With all the images selected, go back to the same panel menu and look for the option that says Embed Image or Embed Images. In some versions of Illustrator, you may also see an Embed button directly at the bottom of the Links panel. If you see the button, simply click Embed. As soon as you click Embed, Illustrator will start embedding each selected image directly into your document. Depending on how many images you have and their file sizes, this may take a few seconds. Once the process is complete, you'll notice that the link icons change, indicating that the images are no longer linked externally but are now fully embedded inside the Illustrator file. At this point, your document contains all image data internally. This means you can send the AI file to someone else without needing to include a separate images folder. It also prevents missing link errors if the original image files are moved, renamed, or deleted from your computer. One important thing to keep in mind is that embedding images will increase your Illustrator file size, sometimes significantly if you're working with high-resolution graphics. So if file size is a concern, make sure you actually need the images embedded before saving. For print production and final delivery, embedding is often the safest option. To double-check that everything is embedded, simply look again at the Links panel. If there are no warning icons and no external file paths listed, your images are successfully embedded. Finally, save your document by going to File and clicking Save or Save As if you want to keep a separate version. And that's it. That's how you embed all images in Illustrator using the Links panel. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference when sharing files or preparing them for print. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.